Ever looked at your wrist and thought, what if my watches told a cool story without burning a hole in my wallet? Well, get ready as we guide you in building your perfect $1,000 watch collection. It's like putting together a collection of tiny time-traveling buddies that not only show off your style, but also have a lot to say with every tick and tock. Imagine strapping on a wrist full of watches that are like tiny masterpieces, each with its own unique story, told through gears, springs and hands. This is your backstage pass into the world of collecting awesome watches without draining your bank account. Forget the idea that only crazy expensive watches are worth it. We offer this opportunity where craftsmanship meets budget-friendly excitement, so grab a magnifying glass, buckle up, and let's explore this cool world where every watch isn't just for telling time, but also for showing off a bit of wearable art. Welcome to another episode of The Steady Ticker. Do you have a soft spot for watches? Subscribe now to The Steady Ticker and click the notification bell to keep posted on the latest news on different luxury watch brands and its industry. We create contents on trivias, intricacies, history, and anything under the weather about luxury watch brands and their models. Today's the day we dive into the secrets of building the perfect $1,000 watch collection, where affordability meets style in the world of wristwear wonders. Let's get started. The first cornerstone of our quest for the ideal $1,000 watch collection, the chronograph category. Leading the charge is the Seagull 1963, an exemplar of timeless craftsmanship, particularly in its acrylic iteration. Priced between $200 and $300, the Seagull 1963 introduces us to the world of the Seagull ST19 hand-wound chronograph movement, a testament to precision engineering and the beating heart of this remarkable timepiece. Its 38mm stainless steel case serves as an elegant vessel for horological excellence, capturing the essence of enduring design. Delving into the details, the choice of an acrylic crystal elevates the Seagull 1963 to a level of distinction. Beyond its practical role of safeguarding the dial, the acrylic crystal imparts a unique aesthetic charm. It harks back to an era where watchmaking was an art form, reminiscent of the golden age that inspires watch enthusiasts globally. The vintage-inspired design of the Seagull 1963 is not merely a nod to the past, but a celebration of watchmaking history. Every glance at its dial transports you to a time where watches were more than timekeepers. They were statements of style and sophistication. In the watchmaking industry, where precision meets adventure, the Orient Mako 2 emerges as a formidable contender in the diver watch category, capturing the essence of exploring beneath the waves. With an enticing price range of approximately $150 to $200, the Mako 2 embodies the spirit of affordable excellence, making it an enticing choice for both seasoned divers and watch enthusiasts alike. At the heart of this aquatic companion lies the Orient Caliber F6922 automatic movement, a reliable mechanism celebrated for its accuracy and durability. Enclosed within a robust stainless steel case measuring 41.5mm, the Mako 2 exudes a compelling presence on the wrist. This timepiece is not merely an accessory, it's a tool designed to endure the challenges of underwater realms, with an impressive 200 meters of water resistance. The Mako 2's design is a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics. The black dial, adorned with luminescent markers and hands, ensures optimal readability in varying light conditions, a crucial feature for divers navigating the depths. Beyond its utilitarian aspects, this diver watch is a testament to thoughtful design, featuring a day-date complication that enhances its practicality for everyday wear. As we explore the intricacies of the Orient Mako 2, it becomes evident that this watch transcends its role as a timekeeping instrument. It becomes a companion for those who seek not only precision in their pursuits, but also a touch of elegance. The Mako 2 is more than just a watch, it's a statement of readiness for the adventures that await beneath the surface, a reliable ally in the exploration of the unknown. Transitioning from the depths of the ocean to the refined realms of sophistication, we enter the category of dress watches, where the Seiko SRPD37 takes center stage. Priced attractively between $250 and $300, this timepiece is a testament to Seiko's mastery in merging classic design with modern functionality, making it an ideal companion for formal occasions and everyday elegance. At the heart of the SRPD37 lies the Seiko Caliber 4R35 automatic movement, a mechanism renowned for its reliability and precision. The automatic movement ensures a seamless and perpetual dance of gears, embodying the essence of watchmaking craftsmanship. Encased in a 42mm stainless steel frame, the SRPD37 strikes a harmonious balance between presence and subtlety on the wrist, making it versatile for various dress codes. What distinguishes this dress watch is its enchanting green dial, a departure from the conventional black or white faces often associated with formal timepieces. The green hue adds a touch of personality and uniqueness, making a subtle yet distinctive statement. The date complication discreetly placed on the dial adds practicality to the watch, aligning it with the needs of daily life without compromising its refined aesthetics. As we delve into the details of the Seiko SRPD37, you may realize that this is not any other ordinary watch because it's an accessory that speaks volumes about the wearer's appreciation for both tradition and innovation. The seamless integration of classic design elements with modern features makes the SRPD37 a reliable companion for those moments when making a lasting impression matters most. In the world of dress watches, where subtlety meets sophistication, the Seiko SRPD37 stands as a beacon of timeless style. As we continue to build your perfect $1,000 watch collection, we pivot towards the category of casual everyday watches. And in this domain, the Seiko SNK793 emerges as a captivating choice. Priced at an affordable range of around $100, this timepiece is a testament to Seiko's commitment to offering quality craftsmanship accessible to a wide audience. Driving the heart of the SNK793 is the Seiko Caliber 7S26 automatic movement, a reliable and robust mechanism known for its accuracy and low maintenance. Encased within a modest 37mm stainless steel frame, this watch embodies simplicity and versatility, making it an ideal companion for everyday wear. The stainless steel construction not only ensures durability, but also provides a subtle sheen that elevates its overall aesthetic. The focal point of the SNK793 is its distinctive blue dial, adding a dash of character to its casual design. Blue, often associated with depth and stability, imparts a sense of reliability to this timepiece. The day-date complication is a practical feature seamlessly integrated into the dial, enhancing the watch's functionality without compromising its unassuming charm. What sets the SNK793 apart is its ability to effortlessly transition between casual and semi-formal settings. Whether it's a day at the office or a weekend brunch, this watch adapts with ease, mirroring the versatility demanded by the dynamic pace of modern life. The SNK793 is more than just a timekeeping device, it's a style companion that complements the wearer's individuality in various contexts. This very collection represents a meticulously curated ensemble that harmonizes diverse watch categories, catering to the multifaceted needs of a discerning collector. Each watch, chosen with precision and purpose, contributes a unique flavor to the overall symphony of horological craftsmanship. From the Seagull 1963 with its vintage-inspired charm and Seiko SRPD37 exuding classic elegance, to the robust Orient Mako 2 embodying the spirit of exploration, and the versatile Seiko SNK793 seamlessly blending into everyday life, this collection is a testament to thoughtful curation. What makes this collection exceptional is its ability to offer a comprehensive watch collecting experience within the $1,000 budget. It goes beyond the idea of simply timekeeping, embracing watches as expressions of personal style, functionality, and versatility. Whether you're diving into the depths, attending a formal affair, or navigating the nuances of everyday life, this collection ensures you're impeccably accompanied on your journey through time. This assembly of timepieces not only meets, but surpasses the expectations of a collector who seeks elegance across diverse watch categories. As we conclude this exploration into the art of building the perfect $1,000 watch collection, remember that each tick of these timepieces tells a story. From the Seagull 1963's historical whispers to the Seiko SNK793's casual charm, this collection encapsulates moments in time. We've embraced the elegance of dress watches, the precision of chronographs, and the resilience of diver watches. Now, the decision is in your hands, each watch carefully selected to be a companion on your unique journey. Thank you for joining us at the Steady Ticker. May your time be as rich and diverse as your collection. Until the next tick, farewell. Want to hear more about watches? Hit the subscribe button below to support the Steady Ticker channel, and click the notification bell to instantly know about our new videos on luxury watches. See you in the next one.